Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we all will be going to learn a conversation between a teacher and a student. आज बहुत टाइम बाद हम लोग conversation video डाल रहे हैं आपकी request पे. So I want like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's start today's video without wasting any further time. Let's begin. और हाँ, एक चीज आपको और बताती हूँ, कन्वर्सेशन सुनने से आपकी जो टंग होती है वो जल्दी से इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स बोलना स्टार्ट करती है. आपका जो माइंड होता है वो जल्दी जल्दी इंग्लिश को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. ओके, तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो. टीचर: Good morning class. How is everyone today? Students: Good morning teacher. We are doing well. Teacher: Today we will learn about ecosystems. Can anyone tell me what an ecosystem is? Student: An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with their environment. Teacher: Great explanation. Teacher: Great explanation. Can you give an example of an ecosystem? Student: A forest is a good example of an ecosystem. Teacher: Exactly. What are some of the components of a forest ecosystem? Student: Trees. Students: Trees, animals, soil, and water are some components. Teacher: Very good. Now, how do these components interact with each other? Student: Trees provide oxygen and shelter for animals, while animals help in seed dispersal. Teacher: Excellent point. Let's discuss the importance of biodiversity in an ecosystem. Student: Biodiversity helps maintain balance and resilience in an ecosystem. Teacher: Correct. Can anyone think of a threat to biodiversity? Student: Pollution and deforestation are the major threats. Deforestation मतलब पेड़ों को काटना. Teacher: Yes, those are significant issues. How can we help protect our ecosystems? Student: We can reduce waste, recycle, and plant trees to help the environment. Teacher: Those are great suggestions. What else can individuals do to make a difference? Student: We can also educate others about the environmental issues. Teacher: Absolutely. Education is the key. How does spreading awareness contribute to conservation? Student: It helps more people understand the importance of protecting ecosystem. Teacher: Exactly. Now let's talk about climate change and its impact on ecosystems. What do you know about it? Teacher: Climate change can lead to habitat loss and affect species survival. Teacher: Right. Can you give me an example of how climate change affects a specific ecosystem? Student: Coral reefs are affected by rising ocean temperatures causing bleaching. Teacher: Very insightful. What can we do to mitigate the effect of climate change? Mitigate मतलब कम करना. Student: We can reduce our carbon footprint by using public transport and conserving energy. Teacher: Great ideas. Let's work on a project to promote these practices in our community. How does that sound? Student: That sounds exciting. I'd love to be the part of it. Teacher: Wonderful. I'll assign groups for the project next class. Make sure to think of ideas to be presented. Student: Will do, teacher. I'll brainstorm with my friends. Teacher: Excellent. I look forward to seeing your creativity in action. Remember, every little effort counts. Teacher: Thank you, Student: Thank you, teacher. We will do our best. Teacher: Now let us discuss the role of different organisms in an ecosystem. Can anyone name a few? Students: Producers, consumers, and decomposers are the main organisms in the ecosystem. Next. Teacher: Correct. What is the function of producers in an ecosystem? Student: Producer create their own food through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants present in the environment make the food with the help of sunlight, water, and chlorophyll, which is the pigment found in the plant. Teacher: Exactly. And what about consumers? Student: Consumers eat plants or other animals for energy. Teacher: Great. Can you give examples of different types of consumers? Student: Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores are types of consumers. Teacher: Well done. Lastly, what role do decomposers play? Student: Decomposers break down dead organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil. Teacher: Right. This recycling of nutrients is vital for ecosystem health. How can we support decomposers? Student: We can compost our food waste and avoid using harmful chemicals in the garden. Teacher: Excellent point. Composting is a fantastic way to help the environment. Who here has tried composting? Student: I have. It really reduces waste. Teacher: That's wonderful. What do you like to Teacher: That's wonderful. Would you like to share your experience with the class? Student: Sure. It's easy and it helps my plants grow better. Teacher: Thank you for sharing. Remember, every action counts in preserving our ecosystem. Let's keep exploring this topic next time. Students: I am looking forward to it. Thank you, teacher. Teacher: Before we wrap up, does anyone have any questions about today's lesson? Student: I have a question. How do invasive species impact ecosystem? Student: Teacher: Great question. Invasive species can outcompete native species for resources. Can you think of an example? Student: Yes, the Burmese python is the Student: Yes, the Burmese python in the Everglades is a good example. Teacher: Exactly. What are some effects of their presence in that ecosystem? Student: They reduce the pollution of native wildlife, disrupting the food chain. Right. Teacher: Right. It shows how interconnected everything is. How can we prevent the spread of invasive species? Student: We can avoid releasing pets into the wild and clean our outdoor gear after use. Teacher: Very good suggestions. Let's make sure to include this information in our project. What topics do you think we should cover? Student: We could cover biodiversity, climate change and the importance of local actions. इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. आई होप आपको ये कन्वर्सेशन पसंद आई होगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर. और अगर आपको ऐसे ही और कन्वर्सेशन के वीडियोस चाहिए तो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Okay, bye bye.